Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the basics, bundles to fill, and the community center cutscene triggered. First, gather required items for each bundle relevant to the current season and your farm skill level so progress is steady. Once ready, travel to Pelican Town and speak with Mayor Lewis. Entering the neglected building starts the restoration questline. Make sure to inspect the notice board and the wizard's tower afterwards. These open subsequent bundle locations. This initial push sets the game's pacing, letting you prioritize which bundles to tackle first. Now you methodically complete bundles. Check the community center journal and prioritize pantry and fish bundles because they open beneficial rooms. You'll harvest, fish, and craft to supply items. When something's rare, use seed shops, the traveling cart, or multiplayer trading to obtain it. Make sure to use upgrades. Greenhouse crops and preserves boost item availability, while keeping an eye on seasons so you don't miss time-limited items. Once done with grouped bundles, the bulletin board and boiler room become accessible, accelerating overall restoration. To finish, complete the last room bundles and trigger the Junimo cutscene that fully restores the center. Deliver any final seasonal or artisan items and confirm each bundle shows complete. If you stall, recheck the bundle journal and seasonal availability, then plan for the traveling cart or coop trades to fill gaps. If items still won't register, reload your save, disable conflicting mods, or invite a friend in multiplayer to contribute a missing item. This usually resolves sync or mod-related problems and gets you the reward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.